Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Poori's Home Kitchen. In today's video, I will make bhandara aloo without onion garlic. Let's start the recipe. We will grind 2 big size tomatoes, ginger, chilli, black pepper and cinnamon sticks in mixer grinder. 2 spoons of mustard oil in pan. After the oil is heated, add cumin seeds. After cumin seeds are prepared, add gravy. Now we will add some spices like red chilli, turmeric, salt, coriander powder and garam masala. Showing oil on gravy, break boiled potatoes by hand. Put potatoes in pan, add water. After boiling, add kasuri methi, garnished with coriander leaves and serve. How did you like this recipe? If you like the recipe, then like it, subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you and don't forget press bell icon.